This is an ant, not a real one, a mathematical one, living on a grid of white and black squares, following just two rules. And for a while, it makes pretty, orderly patterns. Then it descends into what looks like total chaos, scribbling a senseless mess for thousands of steps. But keep watching, because after about 10,000 steps, out of nowhere, the ant suddenly stops being chaotic and starts building a perfectly regular road, marching off to infinity forever. Order, emerging from chaos, with no one steering, and nobody fully understands why. The rules are almost insultingly simple. The ant sits on a square. If that square is white, the ant turns right, flips the square to black, and steps forward. If the square is black, it turns left, flips it to white, and steps forward. That is the entire universe. Turn, flip, step. There is no plan, no goal, no randomness. Just one ant, two rules, and an endless grid. You could simulate it by hand with a pencil. And yet what it does is genuinely astonishing. At first, everything is tidy. For the first few hundred steps, the ant traces out small, elegant, almost symmetric shapes. You can watch it retrace and tidy up, building neat little designs that look deliberately crafted. If you stopped here, you would think this was a system that loves order. A careful little artist coloring in balanced patterns. Simple rules, simple behavior. Nothing to see, just wait. Then it all falls apart. Somewhere past the first few hundred steps, the symmetry shatters. The ant starts wandering erratically, doubling back, smearing out a shapeless, chaotic blot with no pattern at all. It goes on like this for thousands upon thousands of steps, a formless mess growing in every direction. Any sensible person watching would conclude the ant is simply chaotic forever, that the tidiness at the start was a fluke, and that this is just noise. They would be wrong. Because at around step 10,000, something almost eerie happens. The ant locks into a cycle. It begins repeating the exact same sequence of 104 moves over and over, and each repetition carries it 2 squares diagonally out into empty space. It has spontaneously built a highway, a straight, regular road it will now travel forever, escaping to infinity. No matter that the preceding 10,000 steps looked like pure chaos. The order was hiding in there all along, waiting to break out. Here is the genuinely astonishing part. Start the ant on any finite arrangement of black and white squares you like. Scribble in whatever mess you want first. As far as anyone has ever tested, the ant always, eventually, builds a highway. Always. It has been proven that the ant can never stay trapped in a bounded region forever, so it must run off to infinity. But that it always ends in that same orderly highway remains unproven, an open question. A 2-rule ant, hiding a mystery that mathematicians still cannot crack. 2 rules, 1 ant, and out of thousands of steps of chaos comes a road built to order, for reasons no one can fully explain. That is the quiet astonishment of simple systems. The rules fit in a sentence, and the behavior overflows the edges of what we can prove. This has been actually rendered. If this one got you, you know which button to press.